What's the meaning of bandeau? Bandeau. Bandeau.
Bandeau. Bandeau. A bandeau is a type of garment that is usually worn around the bust or head. The word bandeau originates from the French word for strip or band, which reflects the garment's narrow and often elasticized design. Bandeaus can be made from a range of materials such as lace, cotton, or silk and can be designed with or without straps. They are popular as an alternative to bras, especially for those who prefer a more minimalistic look. Bandeaus can also be used as a hair accessory to hold back hair or as a decorative accent on clothing items such as dresses or swimsuits.